Today I'm going to unbox a card reader, a SanDisk ImageMate All-in-one USB 3.0 reader and writer that promises speeds up to 500 megabytes per second. It will read several types of cards. We'll see this next. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So let's start just seeing the box on the back. It says that reads memory stick cards, various types, MagicGate, SD cards like SDHC1, SDXC1, mini SD, mini HC, micro SD, and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. So let's open the box. Let's take the box out. Let's push the plastic tray. And inside the box we have the card reader, a USB 3.0 cable, and a stand. Let's take out the card reader. It's very light and white. Several slots for cards. Also a USB 3.0 cable that has USB 3.0 A and B to connect to the reader, and a stand. Nothing else. The stand is metal with a magnet and has more weight than the card reader. That's good because we can place here and it will stand on your table. Let's open the cable. This is USB 3 and will connect on the back. And you can have this on your table like this. Now let's see the slots for the cards. So we have memory stick, various types of memory stick, MagicGate, SD cards like SDHC, SDXC, Multimedia cards, compact flash, and micro SD. So far looks good. I will do an intense test for the next weeks and I will post a review saying if it's good buying this, because this cost me $30, so that will depend of the speeds you'll need. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button, and if you have any comment, write in the comments below because I read and answer to every comment.